This video explains how you can see the projects, Jira project settings, workflows, issue types, permissions, then what all components are there in the project, what project roles are defined, what screens that project is using. So for every project there are lots of settings like that. So let us see how you can view those settings. So for that, go to the project for which you want to see those settings. So from here you can select your project, and once you go to that project, you have to click on project settings. Then on the left hand side you will see this summary, just click on that, and then on the right hand side you will see all the details of your project, like what all issue types your project is using. By default these many issue types will be there in this Scrum issue type scheme. So there are going to be different like issue type schemes based upon what kind of project you are working on. Then you can also see the versions of the project, components of the project over here. Right now there are no versions or components for this project. Then what workflow this particular project is using. So right now you can see that it is using classic default workflow, and scheme is software simplified workflow scheme. So based upon workflow, status can change, like some issues we can't put it in close, or we can't put it in resolved status because it might be using different workflow. So you have to use correct workflow. Like if you use classic default workflow, then only you will be able to close or resolve the issues. Otherwise, if you use other simple workflows, then those particular status cannot be changed. It will be just to do in progress and done. Then here you can see what all project rules have been defined. Project rules is like just like groups, so that you can group people or users of the project in specific roles, and they can be assigned permission based upon the rules. Then a screen is defined, like what fields can be seen when you like create an issue, when you are viewing the issue. So that type of settings is here. By default, projects will be using Scrum default screen scheme. Then permissions are defined here, like what all permissions are given to the users. Administrator will have different permissions, then other developers will have different permission, business analysts will have different permissions. So that kind of permission settings you can do over here. Then here settings is related to the fields, like if you want to hide or show some fields, you can do that from here. Like if you go here and then start creating a new ticket, most of the times you wouldn't find your fields here, or you can if you want to customize what kind of fields should be shown here, that can be done through that particular settings. So that field settings, and then notification settings are here, like if somebody makes comment on your ticket, then you get notified. But if you want to block those notifications, that settings can be changed from here. And there are some general settings here, and then finally we have got development tools. From here we can integrate other GitHub repositories or any other Git repositories to our project, so that whenever you create a branch in Jira, the same type of branch will be created in Git repository as well. So development tools can be integrated as well to the project. So all these settings are there on this particular summary tab. Thanks for watching this video.